Today we have organized on behalf of Goa Police Cell, Police Sports Cell, have organized a Kabaddi tournament in which almost around 20 top professional teams all over Goa have come here to participate in this tournament. This is an effort on behalf of Goa Police to encourage community policing as well as to initiate a link between the police and the people to encourage rural youth to come forward and associate themselves with sporting activities and channelize their energy in a positive direction. Thank you so much.
Fitness के बारे में what is the price?
First prize is 30,000, second prize is 20,000.
फिटनेस के बारे में गोवा पुलिस को कहाँ
बिल्कुल मतलब we have been consistently making a lot of efforts. We have organized marathon, we have organized a 10-kilometer run, we had organized recently Goa Police Football Cup, and we'll be organizing some more tournaments, professional tournaments in different categories of sports. So this is one such initiative, and let's expect it to be a huge success.